internet. What I got here is a stock hydraulic S197 rack put in the 05 to 10 Mustangs. So let me show you what I got going on here. Some of you may know, some of you S197 drifters might know about this little guy. Now, if you know how a rack and pinion works, this goes in and out, and that little plastic ditty kind of limits the travel. So you can take some out, and that's a pretty substantial limiter, 7/16 of an inch. So, I'll show you we can remove that. Oh yeah, it wasn't in that loose. Obviously this is staged. And you remove the inner tie rod. It's a lot easier when it's on the bench. And remove the spacer. Free angle. Well, guess what? We're not done yet. Look at these little guys. So these are some rack spacers, which a lot of the JDM guys are probably familiar with. They're made up to go on to the inner tie rod, just like that, and go on back on the rack, just like that. Look at that. Free angle. Now, if I was doing a final assembly, obviously put some red Loctite on there, give it a good couple ugga-duggas at your elbow, or whatever wrench you want to use on there. I usually use a big channel locks that I have, and go to town. So that's about, it's close to the limit of the rack itself. The rack doesn't even go much further than that, so like having a threaded spacer just wouldn't do anything. So there you go, Make It Modular rack spacers for your S197s. Show you me installing this on my personal car. It's a little pro tip here. I already started it with the rack spacer on there. Gonna get some of my orange Loctite on there. Yeah, just a little dab. And literally thread it in. Now, I've had this car apart for some angle development. So normally, so you will need an alignment after installing these because the tie rods get pushed out like 1/4 of an inch. And on that note, the 11 to 14 inner tie rods have a little shorter stud, so if you're uncomfortable with how many threads there are enough. You can use a 2005 to 2010 inner tie rod on the 11 to 14 rack if you're uncomfortable with how many threads are left after adding the spacer.